Good morning, everyone. My today's topic is what is clinical research. Clinical research is a component of medical and health research organization intended to produce knowledge of medical component and health services intended to produce valuable knowledge for understanding of human disease and population and disease mechanism of the humans and diagnosis of natural history of disease. It includes a trial of drug, biologics, devices and instruments, healthcare services, and including outcome, cost effectiveness, epidemiology, and community based management of care based trials. Then major components of clinical research are sponsors, research organizations, investigators, participants, etc. Then sponsors are private and public sector funding organizations such as National Institute of Health organization and such as pharmaceutical companies, medical devices manufacturer, biotechnological firms, and universities. Private foundation and national societies within the public sector and National Institute of Health are the largest clinical research sponsors, followed by the Department of Defense under AHRQ. Then the Centers of Disease Control. Then research organizations includes the academic health centers and private research institutes, survey research organization, and federal government and intranormal research programs and contract research organization. Investigators are the scientists performing the clinical research from the various disciplines and academic qualification, examples PhD, PharmD, B Pharmacy, MD, RN, DDS, etc. And participants are the human volunteers which involved in clinical trial and having a treatment of various drugs on them. And the participants they are healthy volunteers and have particular health conditions, and maybe they are from the population. And oversight entities includes institutional review boards and FDA, Department of Human and Health Administration, and veterinarian. Then National Committee for Quality Assurance and national regulatory agencies. Then consumers include health insurers and manage organization healthcare systems, organize medicine, voluntary health agencies, and patient advocacy groups. Purchases of healthcare and providers of healthcare. Then clinical research is a comprehensive study of safety and effectiveness of patient care. Clinical research is different than laboratory research. It involves the people who voluntarily involved in the research to make better understanding of medicine and health. Then every drug and devices, tool, diagnosis, test, and techniques and technology used in medicine today once tested in the volunteers who took part in a clinical research and studies. Then the clinical research is different from clinical practice. In clinical practice, established treatment are used to improve the healthcare or condition of patient, and while clinical research is collected or rigorous study condition of a group in which people determine efficacy and safety of medicine. And it is a branch of clinical research that involves people and aims to determine effectiveness and safety of medications, devices, diagnosis products, treatment, and intended to improve the human health. These research procedures are designed for prevention, treatment, diagnosis, and understanding of the disease symptoms. Then it is for the medications, devices, diagnosis, and pharmaceutical product.